but we can do it everywhere basically in Jakarta.
You can do it everywhere?
Yes, everywhere.
And we have a look here. That's how you cross road in Jakarta.
Be careful.
We're gonna have that on the blooper. Because under, they're like completely no tracks on it.
Okay.
No grip.
Be careful.
I wish I could a bit more Indonesian so I can like say simple phrases.
Well, you say hello
Yeah.
as well. It's pretty simple.
And
You can say apa kabar. It means how are you.
apa kabar?
And you answer baik. It means good.
Baik?
Yeah.
So now I'm gonna try to use this phrase and see if somebody understand. Apa kabar?
He doesn't hear you.
He didn't hear me? Let's try again. Apa kabar? Apa kabar?
Mana?
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Home.
Jalan-jalan.
Oh, jalan-jalan.
Yeah.
Hati-hati.
Jalan-jalan means we're exploring, taking a walk. Jalan-jalan.
Jalan-jalan.
Yeah, jalan means street.
Yeah.
So when you say jalan-jalan, it means like you're exploring the streets or you're just taking a walk.
You get fresh fish for dinner. Just go out here and then pick it up. Apa kabar?
This is
Fresh
our
bread.
Norwegian.
I'm so nervous. Bread, bread, fresh bread.
This is a small street.
Yeah, it leads to another street.
Oh, this is actually a very interesting word. You know how we call this place?
Alleyways?
Gang.
Oh,
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly, just like in Norwegian.
yeah. Go. Hello. Apa kabar? It's toys. Toys. Oh, very cool.
Oh, mau jalan-jalan sono enggak? Ya.
Terima kasih.
So actually in these areas they're like big suppliers
Yeah.
for the shops like in the center of
Yeah.
Jakarta, southern Jakarta. So if you want to buy things very very cheap, then you need to come here.
Yeah. Right, so the lesson for today, Indonesian. If you wanna say how are you, you say apa kabar, and you can answer good. You say baik. If you wanna say
A compliment.
a compliment to a girl, can you say that to a guy also?
Yeah, just for girls.
Just for girls?
Yes.
You say kamu cantik.
That's correct.
And if you want to say, if someone asks you what you're doing here, you can say you're exploring the area. You can say jalan-jalan,
Yeah, correct. Jalan-jalan.
Lesson for today. Are they actually fishing over there?
Oh yeah. I don't know if there are any fish here.
There's probably plenty of fish.
Need some change. You don't have to go to a bank, you can just get it here.
She robbed the bank. Hello. Apa kabar?
Baik.
Halo.
Nasionan ya? Ya, tapi ini banyak nasionan. Kanan, kota tua kanan, Bu.
Wow, what's this? Some sugar thing?
Yes.
Gas for sale. Miss
Asemka, Pasar Asemka.
Pasar Asemka.
Yeah.
What's this?
It's a fruit. The name is duku. Yeah. This area.
We just people, they come and put their blankets on and sell everything.
Yeah.
Purses, tools, watches, electronics, headphones, sandals, mats. Oh, those looks nice. Nike, real nice. Air Max, 85,000 and
It's like 45 kroner. 45 kroner.
$6.
Yeah.
Jewelry, panties.
Ada kabel iPhone yang pendek.
Nice. T-shirts. Wow, it's a big market here. Wow.
30 kroner.
Yeah, 30 kroner or $4. Why do they have to go through here with the scooters? My God. This market you can basically find anything, from toys and clothes and tools, electronics, shoes, whatever you need, they have it. If they don't have it, they make it.
Udah pakai di mama dulu.
Di sendiri ya, di tabungan.
Hamster?
Ya. Tapi ini bagus bulunya kan. Kalau yang belakangnya jelek. Saya ngerti kakak yang bilang barusan udah bagus.
It's an owl.
Oh, nawar banyak.
I hope they get a good home.
Saya kasih 50.
Halo Miss.
Apa kabar?
Baik, alhamdulillah. Salam dua jari.
Go together.
Yeah, she's one of my favorites. Books. Wow, information technology for management. Singapore, facts and pictures. So many books. So many books. Wow, then Jackie Collins. Chinese English dictionary. So many books. Oh, richest man in the world, huh? Not second richest. Second. Candy. Ooh, lots of candies and nuts. Apa kabar? What's this?
This is like something with sugar and coconut
Oh,
and sticky rice. They mix it together.
Sampai nanti aku ada di sana, kenallah dirimu dalam
look at this.
Oh, tu nak.
Lot of lovely, delicious fruits. YouTube?
Sandiaga Uno.
Oh,
Anda hidupin YouTube, yes. Yes, YouTube.
yeah. So just picked up a taxi now, and starting on 6,500. Let's see how much it's gonna cost. It's the Bluebird taxis, you know, all over the city. Right, half an hour taxi. It ended up with
Masuk sini?
Yeah.
Oh iya.
50,000. It's pretty good, and 50,000 is like $3.50. It's very skinny, dry. It looks quite nice. Yeah. 160.
Toko Bu, pelan Mas.
Saya nggak tahu barang